Hi, in this session, we'll try to understand what is Java and applications of Java and then installation of Java. So let's first look at what is Java. Java is a programming language in simple terms, and it is object-oriented programming language. We will see like what it really means in the following videos. But for now, you can consider Java is a programming language and similar to other programming languages like C, C++. And any programming language can have a set of rules or syntax how we can write program. So Java also has its own rules and syntax, and these are mainly derived from C, C++ languages. And C, C++ are the first high-level programming languages, and then Java coming like is developed. So, what is the main reason we go to Java? So that is mainly like portability. So that means Java code, if you write once, you can run any platform. A platform is like where uh, you can run the program code or whatever. So in this case, operating system, we can say, and so Windows, Linux, few other operating systems we have, or even mobile devices like Android or these things. And in the previous, like earlier, like before Java, we have C, C++. So C and C++, these languages has to be like we use compiler. So compiler is a software that is used to convert the programming code like into byte code that is understandable by the computer or any device or machine level code. So for Windows, we need to have its own compiled version of C program code, and for Linux also it should have its own. Whereas Java, so Java doesn't need to have a separate bytecode for um, all the platforms. So yeah, that is one major advantage. Yeah, and when compiler, so compiler is important because so whatever we write, for example, you can say hello world program in Java. So we will get to know like what are these syntaxes and we will get to know. But yeah, so this code is human readable and there is certain language or like rules or syntax. But this doesn't directly understandable by computer, so we need to convert that program into bytecode so that the computer will understand. Uh, Processor or the computer will understand what to do. Mainly the bytecode, yeah, the mainly machine code in a low level, it will be zeros and ones. Every operation happens. Yeah, so the main advantage of Java is portability, uh, and there are many other features that makes Java important. And one more reason why Java came in, like in early 1990s, we like the internet is coming up, and so a lot of application need to be developed in internet. So that is a main reason. Using Java, we can develop even web applications as well. So that's where Java is came in. And these are certain applications of Java. And according to Sun Microsystems, um, more than 3 billion devices are running through Java platform. Um, yeah, and you can see these are different areas or like applications of Java. So desktop applications like media player, antivirus, etc. And web-based applications we can have via CTC app, Java Point, any website we can develop using Java. Similarly, enterprise applications such as banking applications, any mobile applications, we can develop using Java. And embedded systems like any electronic devices like uh, refrigerator or uh, washing machine, lifter. So there are many devices which has its own like chip or embedded based coding. Like when we set a timer, like how it recognizes, and so everything is programming, and say like embedded system also has some programming we can do with Java. Robotics games we can develop using Java. So these are all different applications, and so yeah, then we will see how to install Java. So Oracle provides a JDK, Java Development Kit, where it has all the tools to write the code and default set of libraries or like utilities that is given by Java. Okay, so we can either download a zip file or directly executable file. So when we my system already I have a Java installed. Uh, we can see like so Java is now like free source of Java is like JDK is named as OpenJDK. So it is open like a free usage, and there is enterprise JDK also, like it is licensed and all. So yeah, so let's see like we when we install JDK, I'm installing Java 17, most recent version of JDK. Okay, when you install, it will ask for the path and all. Like you can after installation, yeah. For me, it is the OpenJDK. So here we will have all the soft to like uh, installation directory is this one. And you can see it's underlying files or like you don't need to worry about those. Mainly bin is where we can see Java like Java compiler for Java C, Java for running the code. So that is how, and we can see like when it is successfully installed, and also you need to map this path to environment properties because system should understand where Java is installed. So I put Java home, and also in path we can add the bin path so that Java will be recognized. So I think here you can see I have added a bin till bin so that when you type if you go to command prompt, when you say Java, so it is recognized. Like you can run from any location that will be recognized. Otherwise, you have to go to this path and then run the commands. So you can see the version. The version is 11 I have installed, but that time when I installed it was 11. You can install like latest versions also, not necessarily 11 Java 11. Okay. Yeah, so that once it is done, that means the Java installation is successful. Yeah, we will